Welcome back to the Pterodactyl Chest 5. Welcome to the premiere. 84 is coming with 913 and 904. There is one passenger here, so there will be a station stop this morning. And it is raining cats and dogs. Now, I said I won't be able for 87, but that actually has a chance that I may be able for 87. Even if I have to be at 98, 88 crossing up, I may have a chance. I'll try.
784, those are yours, outside here in St. Mary's. Sound of up 84. USM out.
Looks like it's Hank's crew this morning. Nine 13. We're gonna burp on us. See it. Oh yeah, that's a nice smoke show, but not quite a burp. I know in the rain it may not be quite as burpy as you think. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you're next one.